Good morning students. Now we are going to see about the topic infrastructure as a service. Here we have see the basic fundamentals of IaaS. First see what is IaaS. IaaS is an infrastructure as a service model. Here the cloud infrastructure is a fundamental framework of hardware and software resources that empower the cloud computing services. It also contains the essential components like servers, storage, networking and virtualization, enabling the business to securely store, process and retrieving the data in the cloud. Next, see what are the components of IaaS. There are four key components of IaaS. Virtual machines, we have shortly known as VM. Second one is storage. Third one is networking. Fourth one is management tools. First, see virtual machines. It is a virtual instance of computers providing the computing power, including the processing speed, memory, storage, and on demand services. Second one is storage. It offers enormous storage to scalable and reliable solutions that allowing the business to store and accessing the data whenever needed. Third one is networking. It also provides networking capabilities including the virtual networks, load balancers, firewalls to connect with the infrastructure. Fourth one is management tools. It also offers the management tools that allows the users to provision, monitor and manage their infrastructures efficiently. Next to see benefits of using IaaS for business peoples. First one is scalability. It enables the business to scale their infrastructure up or down instantly, providing the agility and cost optimization. Second one is cost savings. With IaaS, business can avoid the upfront cost of purchasing and maintaining the physical servers, pay only for the resource they consume. Third one is flexibility. It also allows the business to choose their infrastructure components they needed and customize their environments to meet the specific requirements. Fourth one is reliability. It offers high reliability and redundancy features, minimizing the downtime and providing the reliable infrastructure services. When adapting IaaS, what the organization should consider? We have to first consider the security. By implementing the robust security, that is fast security, measuring to protect the data and application is essential. It also includes accessing the controls, encryption and compliance with relevant regulations. Second one is performance. Optimizing the network performance, latency and bandwidth is crucial to ensure a seamless experience. Third one is vendor selection. We have to select the reputable and reliable vendor, cloud service provider with align with the business needs and offers the adequate support and service level agreement. Fourth one is data transfer and integration. Consider the ease of transferring the data to and from the IaaS environment and integrating it with the system or services. Next, see what are the use cases of IaaS. First one is development and testing the environment. This is the first use case of IaaS. It is the commonly used to create and manage the development and testing environment by allowing the business people to rapidly provisioning the resource and reducing the time to market. Second one is web and mobile application. IaaS provides a scalable and reliable infrastructure for hosting web and mobile application by ensuring the optimal performance and availability. Third one is big data analytics. It offers necessary computational power and storage capacity to process and analyze the large data sets in real time. Fourth one is disaster recovery. It can serve as a backup and disaster recovery solution by allowing the business to replicate their infrastructure and data in the cloud. These are the use cases of IaaS. At last, we have seen the conclusion. IaaS is a powerful and computing model that provides the business with flexible and scalable infrastructure resources. By leveraging IaaS, organization can reduce cost, improving agility features and focus on their core competencies. Understanding the fundamentals of IaaS is essential for business looking to embrace the benefits of cloud computing. These are the These are the fundamentals of IAS. Thank you.